Happening today, one of the Virginia Tech students charged in the murder of 13-year-old Nicole Lovell, Natalie Keepers, is back in court.
She's expected for a series of pretrial motions hearings in Montgomery County that could last up to 4 days. WSLS 10's Aaron Brookshire joining us live this morning from outside the courthouse with what we can expect. So Aaron, is this hearing expected to kind of set the stage for what we're going to learn or what we can expect to see coming up in this case?
Yeah, it absolutely is expected to set the stage for that. Now, it's been nearly a year since the death of 13-year-old Nicole Lovell, and this hearing, as you mentioned, is expected to set the stage for what we can expect in the trial when that begins in late March. Now, it all started back last January. That's when Nicole was last seen at her home at the Lantern Ridge Apartments in Blacksburg. That was on January 27th, and Virginia State Police issued an endangered child alert. Now, law enforcement, the FBI, and members of the Virginia Tech cadets looked for Nicole on land and by air for 4 days. Then on January 30th, Blacksburg police charged 18-year-old Virginia Tech freshman David Eisenhower in his dorm with the abduction and disappearance of Nicole. Later that afternoon, state police found Nicole's remains 80 miles away in Surry County, North Carolina. They were located in a wooded area off of Route 89 in Low Gap, just over the Virginia border. Eisenhower was then charged with first-degree murder. And on January 31st, Blacksburg police made a second arrest. 19-year-old Natalie Keepers was charged with improper disposal of a dead body and accessory after the fact. Both Eisenhower and Keepers are currently being held at the Western Virginia Regional Jail. Now, this week's motions hearing is expected to determine exactly what evidence can be presented to a jury and where a jury would be selected from and a trial would take place. As Keepers' attorney argues she can't receive a fair trial in Montgomery County. Now, I spoke with the professor of law at Liberty University, Pamela Bell. She's not a part of this case, but provided some insight as to why a judge could agree to a change of venue.
It's going to be hard to find somebody who not only doesn't know about the case, but also someone who hasn't heard about maybe alleged statements that the defendant has made that maybe wouldn't come into a court of law, or they've already made up their mind.
Now, these are all details that will be discussed and figured out over the next few days here in Montgomery County, and we'll continue to keep you updated on those throughout the week. Live in Montgomery County, I'm Aaron Brookshire, WSLS 10.